Hi guys, well, I'm back with another JJS video, and this time I'm actually gonna review one in either rank or casual. Which, since there's more casual than rank, I'll probably just pick casual. But first, first let's see what we. Oh yeah, also I am also a YouTube main. If you saw that in the last video, I told you that. The last JJS video. And let's see how this goes. You got it. Lift that up. Let's get that out of the way. That was a bad mistake. Looks like he's good with hose too. What? I didn't even realize I had that. Real quick. Dang, no! Looks like he's good with it. Okay. Look, he's sending it home.
Failure! You're still a failure! Failure!
This might last for more than like. Nope. I forgot about that ult move. And if y'all hit the ult move, I don't know how that is. Nope. Oh, I thought something else happened. We're both playing it safe now. Oh, shoot. Nope. Yeah. Oh, he knew that. GG. It was good. It was good. Well, bye guys. Hope y'all liked the video. And have a great rest of your day. Also, similar to money. I don't even know why I'm recording. I just want to do it for fun.